Hi, my name is Josh, and I am the test kitchen chef at Chefman. I have made hundreds of pizzas in the last few months to develop our newest product, the Home Slice. Join me as I whip up some New York pies. Brought over by Neapolitan immigrants in the late 19th century, pizza quickly made itself at home in the Big Apple. Since then, New York pizza has become the most recognized style in the US. Ask any New Yorker why their pizza is the best, and they'll tell you it's all about the water. Legend has it that the tap water has a special combination of minerals that give the crust a perfect texture. Chewy, yet still light and crisp around the edges. Once stretched nice and thin, the dough gets topped with herby tomato sauce and shredded mozzarella for that melty cheese pull. Purists will say it's time to bake this pie as is, but I say nothing is more iconically New York pizza than a pepperoni slice with grease dripping down your hand and coating the corner of your mouth. Next time someone suggests ordering a pizza, tell them to forget about it. The pizza guy doesn't come knocking around when the home slice is around. Stick around for more tips and tricks on unlocking pizza perfection, minus the midtown traffic, with the Chefman Home Slice.